but not you, breaking up with me. I will never agree to that foolishness. At kung sasabihin mo na para sa ikakasaya ko ang ginawa mo, mali ka. Hinding-hindi ako magiging masaya nang wala ka sa tabi ko. Sa isang iglap, ay pinihit niya ako paharap sa kanya, bago ako mariing pinagkatitigan habang hinahaplos ng isa niyang kamay, ang aking pisngi. Isang linggo kang hindi nagparamdam sa akin, at naglaho na parang bula. I asked everyone we know, and nobody could tell me, where the hell you are. I was going crazy, to the point that I begged outside Wendy's house on my knees, until she felt bad and finally told me where you are. His thumb slowly traced my lips, like he was remembering every part of it. Pearl, do you really think that if I received that unsent text, I'll just accept it and move on? Ganoon bang kababaw ang tingin mo sa akin? He asked, full of pain. I shook my head as I closed my crying eyes. No, I'm sorry, Julio. Do you love me, Pearl? Yes, look at me, and say it again. I did what he asked, in a heartbeat. Yes, I love you so much, Julio. Wala siyang sinabi o reaksyon, at tinitigan lang ako ng maigi. You need to prove it, he said, before kissing me. It was rough at first, then it slowly became gentle, as I felt him put a ring on my ring finger. Agad akong bumitiw sa halik at tiningnan ang aking daliri. Oh my God, Julio, it was really a ring. A beautiful and huge oval diamond engagement ring. Hinalikan ako ni Julio sa pisngi, at naramdaman ko ang pagngiti niya, kaya lumingon ako sa kanya. We are getting married next week. Civil wedding muna, habang pinaplano ang dream wedding natin. Sinabi niya na para bang hindi iyon big deal. Civil wedding. Julio, tingin ko ay kailangan muna natin pag-usapan. I told you that you need to prove to me that this time, you really love me and will not think about breaking up when you felt bad because of our differences. I understand, but this is so sudden. Yes, but you left me for a week. So I need a lifetime with you to pay for that. I tried waiting for you, but you left me instead. Mahirap na at baka kung ano na naman ang maisip mong dahilan para hiwalayan ako. Napatulala lang ako sa kanya na para bang isa siyang ilusyon. Ang lalaki na iniiyakan ko ng isang linggo ay narito sa harapan ko at walang pagdadalawang isip na makasama ako habang buhay. He was getting worried when I just stared at him. My eyes were blurry because of my happy tears. Pearl, you are marrying me, right? He asked. And I think I fell for him all over again. The doubts that kept on haunting me this past week were all gone the moment I saw all the love he was willing to give me. Napakatanga ko para isipin na dahil magkaiba kami ay hindi kami mag-work, bakit hindi ko agad na-realize na sapat ng pareho namin mahal ang isa't isa. I looked down at the most beautiful ring I ever worn. I want a grand wedding next year. And this ring is so beautiful, so it's a yes, Julio. I will love you for as long as I live. And I'm sorry for ever thinking I could live a life without you. You are the only one for me. This time, I kissed him with all my heart. We're so different. But he loves me,